Headed outside to feed the kitties, feed Morris. Silly boy, he's up there waiting on me, and then he runs down when I come out the door to only have to go back up again. Good morning, Morris. Come here, bud. Come here, Morris. Come on. Come on, Morris. Let's go. I know you're happy to see your friends, but let's go. Come on. Let's go. Morris. Morris. Come here, buddy. Come on. Come on, Morris. Let's go. Morris. He's just not getting it this morning. I don't know why. He don't know. But I'll bring the wet food over here. It's another gorgeous fall day. Sam's on his way over at 11:30. We're going to make lasagna and hang out. Dawn's feeling much better today. Normal. Back to normal. So that's good news. I think we're going to walk here in a bit. It's around 10 o'clock, 9:30, something like that. I am having to do a serious delete and cleanup of storage on WeVideo. It's a really long story, but in order to keep on working over there, I've got to do some stuff. So it's sucking up a little bit extra time. I was sitting in there. I've got to do so much a day for 30 days to get it where it needs to be so I can keep working. That's the short story. And it's a little painful. The repetitive keystrokes was messing with my carpal tunnel today. But that's alright. I'm out here now. I swear I got bit by something on the neck like as soon as I came out the door, which I didn't need. Everything seems to be in order this morning. That rain that we had yesterday morning, everything still seems plenty wet. I'm not having to water extra, so I'm pleased about that. And the crows are going crazy. Good morning, Gray. Hi. Hey, I gotta make you a new chicken. It's in the refrigerator, either today or tomorrow. So you got canned slop today. Sorry. She likes it well enough, though. Well, we're out here walking on a fine morning. The sun doesn't feel too hot. Don's feeling himself today.
Yeah, 100%.
But with Sam coming over and the fact that it might not be a bad idea to give it one more day, we're going to go to the gym tomorrow. At least as long as I don't decide we're doing hard work outside. Something, you know, productive besides the weight room. We'll see. But the plan's to go tomorrow. We have that option. Nighttime helps with everything at the counter.
She's helping me unbox this Snoopy bag.
Snoopy Halloween 3D printed goodies.
Yep. Got this cool vampire Snoopy.
Yep, I thought he's pretty neat. Like it's a light box, so that black piece kind of snaps in there, but
okay. So
it came off on me. Yeah, you don't got to fix it now.
There's a cat. And I'm assuming a Frankenstein from the...
It is a Frankenstein.
From the shape of it. A Frankenstein cat.
Yep.
That's cute. Very cute.
Hi.
Then there's a Snoopy on his house.
Doghouse,
like
yeah.
The
candy corn. Yeah. Candy corn doghouse.
I like it. Really cool. Oh, it's the Great Pumpkin, Charlie Brown. That's like a movie poster.
Yep.
I like that a lot.
Yep. Must have come right out of the TV show, the movie.
Boo.
A boo.
You know, not that scary when it's Snoopy, but it's still cute.
Right. Well, I wasn't going for scary.
Yeah. And then there's a Woodstock with Snoopy, and then there's Joe Cool.
Joe Cool.
And then there's a keychain for my keys. So
yep.
That's really cute. I like it. It's a black cat. Like nighttime right here.
Exactly.
Nighttime, so.
Yep. I think the one I just took off the printer out there, that's for you, isn't here. So let me go getting a little help with the mini flags. It's like old times. I can go get some scarecrows.
Hey, now you're talking.
Dear, you gotta not like them. They did a number on my impatiens over here, but not my little tree. Not my little tree. My little tree is untouched to the best of my knowledge. But all the impatiens in the front were trimmed again. They're all up except for the big one over here, and I'll go upstairs in the attic and get that one in a bit. I put up the 2 new flagpoles that I had acquired, and I think I want to get them on clearance at Walmart, even though they're only $5 to begin with. They're along the driveway as you come down, and there's a few left over, but I got all the best ones out. Got all the best ones. It's lasagna assembly time. Well, after he gets off work, I do need Don to come out and secure them. But I have inflated them, plugged them in, picked what I want, put them where I think they work, although Don is allowed to move them if that's helpful. And we're pretending this one is Snoopy. It's not an official Snoopy inflatable, but we're pretending. It's all about the important things.